Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are going to be learning how to turn off sound effect in the IQ option account. If you want to turn off the sound effect in the IQ option account, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open the IQ option application on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you are, go to the bottom of the screen and look for the sound button and click on it. Make sure that the sound speaker icon is muted, and with this, you have turned off the sound effect in the application. Now every time you click on any of the buttons, you'll not hear any kind of a pop sound. So that is how you easily turn off the sound effect in IQ option. If you ever want to turn it back on again, you can simply select and click on the same sound button and you'll be able to get the sound back again. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.